You've probably seen tons of videos on TikTok or Instagram that they got millions of views and they made with Sora. However, to use Sora, you actually need an invite code and also you should live in the United States or Canada. However, I'm going to show you how you can pass these two limitations because first of all, it took me only a few minutes to find an invite code and also I live in Sydney, not in those two countries. In the first step, you actually need a very good VPN. Personally, I recommend using NordVPN. It works very well for me, and right now it's Black Friday. You can get a very juicy discount. You can find the link to NordVPN in the video description. You can use any other VPN that you like, but make sure you're in the United States or Canada. By using the VPN, you can actually use the website quite easily. However, if you want to build your cameo, basically your character, as you can see, Justin created her own character, and you can see people will make different videos with her face. If you want to do the same thing, you actually have to create a cameo, and you can do this using the mobile version of Sora. But if you open your app store, you probably can't see Sora if you're not in United States or Canada. Let me first show you how to fix this issue and then how to find an invite code. On your phone, first make sure you're connected to the United States inside NordVPN. And now we have to open App Store. And right now, if I search for Sora 2, I can't see the app because as I told you, there is a limitation. What I can do is to change the location inside App Store. This is very important. Just click on your profile in here, select your Gmail, and in this section for the country and region, change this to the United States. For me right now, it's Australia. I have to change this to the United States or Canada. Keep that in mind. Some of your subscriptions could actually cancel. Make sure you know this. Click on agree. And now in here, we need a US basically address. Let me click on none. I need a billing address and also phone number. There is a website called Best Randoms. Right now it's at United States and I can see so many addresses in here. Let me actually copy this and fill out all the information in here. I actually filled out all the information. Now let's actually click on done. And I was able to change the country region to the United States. Probably even right now, I can't find Sora 2. Let's actually check it out. Sora 2. Let's see. Okay, now, as you can see, I can find it in here. If you were not able to see Sora 2, you can actually search Sora 2 on your browser. And from OpenAI website, you can click on the link and basically see the app in here. So let me install it. And now let's open the app. Click on continue with ChatGPT. This is actually my profile right here. But usually when you log in for the first time, you need an invite code. Let me actually show you how you can find the invite code. There are many ways that you can find the code. The first option that you have is joining OpenAI Discord server. I will put the link in the video description. If you go to the Sora 2 codes, this channel, you can see people constantly share their invite code in here. You can easily find so many codes in this channel. The second way that you can find out is using Twitter. All you have to do is to search Sora to invite in your search, and you can see people will share their invite code in here. Make sure you're in the latest section. Personally, I found my code using Twitter. And the third option, which is my favorite one, you can actually join my free school community. I'm going to share my invite code for free in there. And besides that, you can gain access to so many other things. Also, if you like you can share your invite code in the comment section of this video or in my school community. In this way, you can easily gain access to Sora. It's quite easy. As I told you, it takes only a few minutes. Now, let me actually show you how we can create a cameo, because this is very useful. Click on skip. We can actually skip the number, skip this, and we can start watching. This is actually my profile. As you can see, I can click on create cameo, get it started, and I have to give access to my phone. Since I'm on MacBook, I can't have access to the basically my camera, but all you have to do is to record some video of yourself, and it will create a cameo for you. And after that, if you want to create a video, all you have to do is to go to Sora website, make sure your VPN is on, and go to your profile section, or in here you can basically make sure in here you can select your character or any other people. For example, you can use Sam Altman and write your prompt. For example, riding a horse or something like that. But make sure when you create your cameo, it's on public. Basically, in this way, you can easily gain access to Sora app, even if you're outside US or Canada. And as I told you, finding the invite code is quite easy. You can find so many of them in the comment section of this video. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and like this video. Cheers.